yesterday you alleged that some of the ministers also got gold chains from the. What is the proof for that, sir?
See, there are, as in the assembly it was told, it was not told outside to any press or anything. It was in the assembly, it was mentioned that one of the minister has given a gold chain to the person concerned. That's the matter. It's on the record also. Let them do the investigation. It's out in the public domain also that such a thing has happened. We are asking Sidramaya. He knows the whole issue. Let him come out in the open and tell the names of the people. Tell the names of these leaders who are involved in this.
So the PWCC has said that treated water should be given to Chinnaswamy Stadium because there is a water shortage here during the IPL matches. What is you have to say that Water Minister D.K. Shivakumar, he said that enough adequate facilities has been done for Bengaluru, but BWCC says that water shortage is there, so treated water should be given to Chinnaswamy Stadium.
See, there is a acute shortage of water also. Then there is the whole government apparatus, the administration has fallen apart. D.K. Shivakumar himself comes out in the open and tells even God comes also, you can't do anything about the Bangalore situation. And by maybe suddenly, maybe he realized that he has told the truth, now he is trying to backtrack. The treated water can be used, the treated STP treated water or a tertiary plant treated water can be used for non-drinking purposes. That can be used wherever possible, wherever the technology allows it to be used. There, in those cases, it has to be used. They are asking for it and the government has to do something about it.